Okay, so I'm back, and now to finish off with the filling stations. So on some of the corners, on the ones that are facing east or west, it's simple to do the filling stations because you can simply add the powered rail to the corner and a button after you put the corners in there. However, you'll just put this there first. So yeah, however, if you try to do this on a north-south facing corner, it does not connect. So for this, you need to break 2 blocks and then place powered rail there and there. So now if we come across, and we place a normal rail all the way around till this bit where we would place powered rail, and then we have the normal rail into it. That's how you do this side. So now obviously you just put your corners in, a button, your hopper and your chests. So if we go and do the other sides, this is the simple side, 1, 2, and your button, and 1, 2, and then you break 2, you break 1, powered rail, torch, but I don't think I put the torch over here. No, so if I just put the torch on the side as well, yeah, we have that, and then go back to this side. So you add your normal rail, your 2 powered mine cart rails, and then normal rail everywhere else. Your hopper, and if we can fly, your 2 chests, your corners, and your button. That's that side done. Now you might be wondering why I've left 2 gaps here. And basically, as the minecart comes along this track, it overlaps onto this hopper as it's going in here, so that takes one out. Then on the other side, it overlaps here, so it takes into this side as well. Now if you have it all the way, you'll get 2 lava buckets in one of these dispensers, which isn't what you want. So now that's done, it's a simple case of hooking up your water supply. So if we have 2 lines along here, which are 1, 2, 3 across and 3 up, and then we put 1 on top of there, and on top of there, on top of there, and then we get our dispensers, and we no longer need the redstone torch. So if we break that block and place a dispenser in all of the corners, and break the top block because you don't need them. Now if we add our water bucket into each of these, and then finally this one, and we add our line of redstone and a button here, So that side works, so we'll just pick up that water. And then we'll place a repeater here. And then redstone all along this one. That should be our water hooked up. As you can see, everywhere is filled with water. So now we fill these chests up with lava. We get a mine cart chest, which I've already got, and I'll be right back while I fill that up. Okay, and we're back. So you might have noticed that I missed this hopper and chests here, but I've done that and filled them up. So now let's send our minecart around and fill up our dispensers. So that's filled and that's filled, so that's good. And then we wait for a minute, and that should be long enough. Lava bucket in there, lava bucket in there, and a lava bucket in there, and send a lava bucket in there, and in there, and in there. Lava bucket, lava bucket. So this is good so far. It's all working. And there we have it. So now if we set off our lava, it all works. And now for our water, and off it goes. And then just mine all this out. Obviously you get your Obsidian when you're not in creative. So mine all this out. So we get a stack. We throw that in there. And then we press our button to give out our buckets. We find the corner, which is this one. As you can see, it fills up. So there we have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you soon. Bye.